If you've ever had to deal with car insurance, you know how frustrating and expensive it can be. Finding the best rate is a time-consuming hassle. Switching policies can feel like a headache, and don't even get me started on managing all the paperwork. That's where Jerry comes in. It's basically an all-in-one app designed to make car ownership easier, whether you're trying to find a better insurance rate, keep up with maintenance, or even improve your driving habits. And the best part, it's free to use. Let's start with what Jerry does best, helping you save money on car insurance. With their Price Protect feature, they compare rates from over 55 insurers in just a couple of minutes, and they claim users save an average of $600 a year. That's a big deal, especially considering how quickly they generate quotes. Plus, they handle the switch for you, meaning you don't have to deal with annoying paperwork or, even worse, sales calls from insurance companies. They also promise that your information stays private so you won't suddenly start getting bombarded with telemarketing calls. If you've ever hesitated to shop for new insurance because of the hassle, Jerry removes that roadblock completely. Beyond insurance, Jerry takes things a step further with features like GarageGuard trademark, which helps you keep up with car maintenance. It reminds you when it's time for an oil change, tire rotation, or brake check, because let's be honest, most of us forget until something actually breaks. It even estimates repair costs and helps you find reputable local mechanics so you don't get ripped off. If you've ever walked into an auto shop and felt like they were speaking another language, this tool is a lifesaver. Plus, they analyze thousands of repair shops, so the recommendations are based on actual data, not just random suggestions. Then there's DriveShield, which is all about improving your driving habits. It tracks things like braking, acceleration, and speed using your phone's sensors, then gives you a score based on how safe you are behind the wheel. It's a great feature if you want to become a better driver, but it also rewards you for safe driving with perks from brands like Goodyear and AMC Theaters. If you have a teenager on the road, this could be a great way to encourage good driving habits. That said, some people might feel a little weird about their driving being monitored, even though Jerry promises your data is secure. Now, is Jerry perfect? Not entirely. While the insurance savings can be huge, not everyone will actually find a lower rate, since that depends on things like driving history, coverage needs, and location. Also, the DriveShield feature uses motion and location sensors, so some people might not love the idea of an app tracking their trips, even if it's for a good reason. And while GarageGuard is great for maintenance reminders, the repair cost estimates are just that. Estimates. Prices can still vary depending on where you live and the shop you choose. Overall, Jerry is a solid tool if you want to save time, money, and frustration when it comes to car ownership. Whether you're looking for cheaper insurance, trying to stay on top of maintenance, or just want to be a safer driver, it takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. And since it's free to use, there's really no downside to giving it a try. If you hate dealing with insurance companies or just want a smarter way to manage your car, Jerry might be exactly what you need.